Welcome to the Daily Message. Today I want to offer for your reflection these few words from Pope Francis, which is titled, "What Makes Families Strong?" It was taken from his Family Day homily given at St. Peter's Square in October of 2013. Pope Francis says this: all families, we need God, all of us. We need His help, His strength, His blessing, His mercy, His forgiveness. And we need simplicity to pray as a family. Simplicity is necessary. Praying the Our Father together around the table is not something extraordinary. It's easy. And praying the rosary together as a family is very beautiful and a source of great strength. And also praying for one another, the husband for his wife, the wife for her husband, both together for their children, the children for their grandparents, praying for each other. This is what it means to pray in the family, and it is what makes the family strong. Prayer.